Hey kids, let's try a little handheld stuff. This is new to me. I'm just now learning how all this video stuff works, so bear with me. We're going to go outside and take a look at this snowstorm. I'm going to swing the camera around. That'll give you an idea of about how much snow there is. That's the wood part down on the bottom. That's a 2x6, so we got about 8 inches of snow on top of that. And kind of look around here in my ugly backyard. You know, I was going to clean all this stuff up, and well, now, shoot, I guess I'll wait till spring. Well, there's another idea of how much snow there is. Look at how it's piled up on the back of the old pickup truck. If we pan around here a little bit, can we actually see? Oh yeah, there's snow coming down. I mean, it started snowing about 1:30 this afternoon. It's getting close to 11 o'clock now, and it's been going pretty much non-stop. I'm a little concerned about my roof. I got a weak spot in my roof I really should have fixed 2 or 3 years ago, and I'm hoping the weight of the snow doesn't collapse it. You never know. You might see me doing a GoFundMe here pretty quick. Well, one more quick little shot here, and I think we'll go back inside.